Come test drive the 2009 Cadillac Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, running boards, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.